whole heap of bad things reached me in 2023, but there were also a lot of really great things that happened as well. This time of year, I always start by looking back on the prior year for the L's, the losses that occurred. And then I think really creatively about ways that I can turn them into lessons for the current year. Now for me, 2023 had some investments that never really pan out. And there were some business strategies as well that outright failed. So what I'm doing now is looking for lessons, new strategies that I can take into 2024 to continue building wealth, to continue teaching my clients how to build wealth, and to ensure that with Profit Jumpstarter, we continue to grow and build our movement. I want you to go through the same exercise. Look back on last year. What were some of the losses? And how are you going to turn them into lessons for this current year to make sure that you continue on your wealth building journey, you continue making money, and most importantly, you continue to make your money